Who says you have to break the bank to get your hands on the coolest tech gadgets? In today's video, we're counting down the top 10 amazing tech finds on Amazon that are all under $50. These budget-friendly gadgets will blow your mind and are perfect for anyone looking to upgrade their tech without overspending. You won't believe what's sitting at the top of our list. It's something you'll want to add to your cart immediately. So make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss out. And while you're here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you can stay updated on all the best tech deals. You won't want to miss what's coming up next. Number 10. Amazon Smart Plug. Starting off our list at number 10 is the Amazon Smart Plug. Picture this, it's a chilly evening, and you're snuggled up on the couch, wrapped in a blanket, binge-watching your favorite series. Suddenly, you realize you forgot to turn on the lamp in the corner. Instead of getting up and interrupting your cozy vibe, you simply say, "Alexa, turn on the lamp." Just like that, the room is bathed in a warm glow, and you're back to your show. This little gadget transforms any ordinary appliance into a smart one, allowing you to control it from your phone or with your voice. It's like having a personal assistant who never takes a break, perfect for those lazy days. Number 9. Blink Mini Camera. At number 9, we have the Blink Mini Camera. Imagine this, it's a weekday afternoon, and you're at work when suddenly you remember that you left the back door unlocked. Panic sets in as you think about what could happen while you're away. But wait. You pull out your phone and check in on your home through the Blink app. The camera streams 1080p HD video straight to your device, letting you see everything is just fine. You even spot your cat lounging on the couch. With its two-way audio feature, you can talk to your furry friend or tell that delivery driver where to leave your package. It's peace of mind in a tiny package, perfect for busy lives. Number 8. Anker PowerPort Wireless Charger. Coming in at number 8 is the Anker PowerPort Wireless Charger. Imagine being out and about when your phone battery starts to dip dangerously low. Maybe you're out running errands or catching up with friends at a cafe. Instead of fumbling with cords and searching for an outlet, you simply place your phone on this sleek charger and let it do its magic. It's compact enough to fit in your bag and powerful enough to give your phone a quick boost whenever needed. Compatible with most Qi-enabled devices, this charger is perfect for those who are always on the go. No more tangled wires or frantic searches for chargers. Number 7. HyperX Cloud Stinger Headset. At number 7, we have the HyperX Cloud Stinger Headset. Imagine it's Friday night, you've gathered with friends for an epic gaming session. As you gear up for battle, you slip on these comfy headphones that feel like they were made just for you. Lightweight with memory foam ear cups, they're perfect for those long gaming marathons or binge listening sessions of your favorite podcast. The sound quality is incredible, every explosion and whisper comes through crystal clear. Plus, with on-ear volume controls, adjusting the sound is as easy as a flick of your finger. Get ready to lose yourself in audio bliss. Number 6. Divoom Aurabox Bluetooth Speaker. Number 6 is the Divoom Aurabox Bluetooth Speaker. Picture this, you're hosting a small get-together at home, and as friends start arriving, you want to set the mood with some great music. But this speaker does more than just play tunes, it lets you design pixel art that lights up in sync with your music. So not only are your guests enjoying high-quality audio, they're also captivated by colorful animations dancing along with every beat. It's a fun way to express yourself while keeping everyone entertained, perfect for parties or just chilling at home. Number 5. Logitech K380 Multi-Device Bluetooth Keyboard. At number 5, we have the Logitech K380 Multi-Device Bluetooth Keyboard. Imagine this, you're sitting at your desk working on an important project on your tablet when suddenly an email pops up that needs immediate attention on your laptop. Instead of fumbling around with multiple keyboards or remotes, you effortlessly switch between devices with just a click. This keyboard connects to 3 devices simultaneously and has a compact design that fits perfectly in any workspace. The rounded keys feel great under your fingers, making typing feel smooth and effortless. It's perfect for anyone juggling multiple devices throughout their busy day. Number 4. Wakako Mini Presso Espresso Maker. Coming in at number 4 is the Wakako Mini Presso Espresso Maker, a game changer for coffee lovers. Picture this: you're camping in the great outdoors, surrounded by nature's beauty but longing for that rich espresso shot to kickstart your day. With this hand-powered espresso maker, all you need is hot water and coffee grounds. In just minutes, you can brew delicious coffee anywhere, no electricity required. It's lightweight and portable, making it perfect for camping trips or enjoying a fresh cup at home without all the fuss of traditional machines. Number 3. Turtle Shell 2.0 Bluetooth Speaker. Taking our third spot is the Turtle Shell 2.0 Bluetooth speaker. Imagine it's a sunny Saturday afternoon, you're heading out to the beach with friends or planning a backyard barbecue. You want music but don't want to worry about damaging your speaker if it gets splashed or dropped. It's rugged and water resistant. With impressive sound quality and up to 16 hours of playtime on a single charge, this speaker keeps the party going all day long. Just grab it and go, it's built for adventure. Number 2. Fire TV Stick Light. At number 2 is the Fire TV Stick Light. Picture yourself settling down after a long day. Instead of scrolling through endless channels trying to find something good to watch, you simply say, "Alexa, play my favorite show," and instantly access all your streaming services right on your TV screen. Whether it's binge-watching shows or catching up on movies with family or friends, this little device transforms any TV into an entertainment hub, all for under $50. It's like having a movie theater right in your living room. Number 1. Govee Robic LED Strip Lights. And finally, taking our top spot at number 1 are the Govee Robic LED Strip Lights. Imagine transforming any room into a vibrant space with customizable colors that change with your mood or even sync with music. Whether you're hosting a party or just winding down after work, these lights let you create any atmosphere you desire, all controlled from an easy-to-use app on your phone. They're perfect for setting the vibe during parties or creating a relaxing atmosphere while unwinding after a long day. And that wraps up our top 10 best Amazon tech gadgets under $50. Who knew you could get such incredible gadgets without spending a fortune? Which one caught your eye, or maybe there's a gadget you already have that's a total game changer? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your favorites. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Click that bell icon so you're always in the loop for the latest tech finds and deals. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you in the next one.